How to get promo code for Pocket FM. Here is how you can get a promo code for Pocket FM. So let's get started. First of all, simply open the preferred web browser on your device. Then now on the search address bar, type down promo code of Pocket FM or Pocket FM promo code and hit enter to search for it. Now, once done so, you'll be navigated to the list of promo codes of Pocket FM. Scroll down and hit on the legitimate website of promo code. So here I'm tapping on the grab on option available at the top. So now once you tap on it, you will be navigated to the other list of promo codes option available. Now scroll down and look for the various options and tap on the one you prefer. So here I'm tapping on the first one which says the best deal. Now you'll be navigated to the Pocket FM official website. You'll have to log into it to use the promo code. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.